Hey guys, this is Rob from MarineMax in Charleston, right off Daniel Island. Today we're going to go over a 2021 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. We just got this in. This is one of our absolute most popular boats that we stock. It is equipped with the Mercury 115. This has a ski tow bar on the back, which is one of the heaviest, dutiest ones in the industry. It's ridiculous. We have a Teak Package on this, on the swim platform with a swim ladder. This one is also equipped with port and starboard aft seating with backrest. Rails. The seat is completely adjustable. You have your live well right here that's painted blue. This boat is equipped with a 7-inch Raymarine navigation, Bluetooth fusion with an upgraded JL audio speakers. This is also going to be a drive-by wire. So you're going to be digital throttle. It's going to be really easy to go. Also hydraulic steering, which is like power steering on your car. This is equipped with a bimini top. We also have rod holders right up front, and we have seating with a cooler located underneath to pack those cold beverages in. We also have fish boxes up front as well. And this boat is already equipped with a trolling motor plug. This boat is also equipped with the bow cushions that are just not with it right this second. If you'd like to see this boat or any more like it, please come down, visit our website. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.